Hello and welcome to our introductory video on cognitive skills training with brain power. It's important that you understand the basic anatomy of processing disorders, the importance of neuroplasticity in overcoming those processing disorders, and how brain power has been engineered to maximize neurological and cognitive development in the brain. It's only by attaining the proper frequency, intensity, and duration of treatment provided with the Brain Power program that individuals can experience real and permanent improvement in cognitive function. Let's find out why. Those who live with brain injuries, learning disabilities, cognitive disorders, and of course natural aging can finally lack the core cognitive abilities required for optimal cognition. Processing disorders are rooted in the neurophysiology of the brain, so these individuals tend to be undertreated or not treated at all. Study, tutoring, and brain games provide minimal, if any, relief because of the underlying processing disorders that are at the root of the individual's cognitive difficulties. In short, when someone is affected by a processing disorder, the brain lacks the cognitive platform required for optimal cognition. Whether caused by brain injury, learning disability, or other causes, processing disorders can impact attention, auditory processing, visual processing, language processing, logic and reasoning, memory, planning skills, processing speed, fine motor skills, and gross motor skills. Modern science has demonstrated that through a process called neuroplasticity, the brain can develop new neural connections, treating the problem at its source. Neuroplasticity is defined as the capacity of nerve cells, neurons, in the brain to modify their activity in response to specific stimulation. The ultimate goal of the Brain Power Cognitive Skills Training Program is to promote neuroplasticity in the brain. Research has shown that under normal circumstances the results are permanent. Clinical experience has demonstrated that only intense training will successfully force the brain to develop new neural connections. Therefore, training must occur on a daily basis. Supportive coaching is required, with inaccurate responses being immediately corrected so that only accurate processing is reinforced. The training activities must always remain challenging, with added complexity as training progresses. The training activity must be structured in a way that will drive the skill to become automatic. And the training program needs to be individually customized to address the specific cognitive problems that the individual is experiencing. It's important to know that mental stimulation is not the same as neurological cognitive skills training. Cognitive training involves focused concentration and effort to develop the neurophysiology of the brain, enhancing the cognitive platform for specific skills and activities. Training is required to build mental capacity, much like we experience when conditioning our physical body. There are many comparisons that can be made along the physical and mental spectrum: bodybuilding, marathon running, sports excellence, musical virtuosity, academic excellence, or for that matter, any type of excellence. They all require concentrated training. In training with brain power, the mental muscle, the brain, is exercised in a systematic manner to develop new neural connections, providing a cognitive platform for excellence. The simple mental stimulation experienced with games, puzzles, and other activities are healthy, but do not provide a proper platform for neurological development or the ultimate relief from processing disorders. By comparison, brain power is science-based, built on the cutting-edge research in neuroplasticity and clinical experience delivering cognitive skills training. Remember, brain power is engineered to provide the frequency, intensity, and duration of treatment required for maximum neurological development. Ultimately, though, you must make the commitment and seriously train the brain to achieve optimal cognitive development. When used properly, brain power delivers life-changing, real-world results impacting learning, performance, self-esteem, and overall quality of life. Thank you for watching our tutorial video, Introduction to Cognitive Skills Training. Our next video, Brain Power Basics, will provide a solid overview of the Brain Power program, as well as the role of the support trainer, patient needs assessment, and treatment planning.